On this video we are going to watch how to start digital nomad. How you can start a digital nomad lifestyle in 2022 with 6 easy steps for beginners. Normally digital nomads are the freelancers who wish to switch out from work-life integration to a better work-life balance. Who travel on a frequent basis most likely will stay around 3 months on a fixed location depends on their visa status then hopping to another country. Traditionally this method is known as visa run, while sustaining with their existing remote job or online incomes. A poll survey with 4,000 digital nomad participants revealed that there are over 35 million digital nomad across the globe, with United States, Portugal, Germany and Brazil makes over 51% of digital nomad communities around the world. But why you want to start digital nomad? Is it the key factor such as exposed to new cultures, enjoy the beautiful locations, or earning money while traveling the world as an independent freelancers while paid in a higher currency value to live in a country where that money has more spending power with more chances to save more money each month for your retirement by living almost anywhere you like very comfortably? Anyhow, whatever inspired you, stay tuned to watch till end so that you can start to be a digital nomad in 2022 with 6 easy steps. Step 1. Ensure your financial expenses. You might be immediately try to begin your journey as a digital nomad, but make a wise planning to resolve all your financial expenses, like a long-term property and vehicles mortgage. Also try to get rid of other unwanted financial ties such as credit card installment to get more leverage on your money freedom. Really not advisable to leave your current job or income sources without your debts taken care first before committing such a significant lifestyle change. Keep accounting records to make sure that you're only dealing with essential expenses, and it's very important that you are having saving funds for minimum 3 to 5 months in case something gone wrong while you start these digital nomadism lifestyle. This backup savings will easily get you through the difficult months, specifically if you're a freelancer person without any reliable income streams yet. Step 2. Explore your skill set to be a freelancer. These will be a very crucial key factor for you to generate income sources while you are traveling, so put some attention here. By the way, the smartest and quickest method to sustain your earning is by put some efforts to assess your current job whether it can be done by remotely. If yes, then try to convince your management to work digitally as a remote worker. These will be an easiest option to be a digital nomad by skipping most of other steps on these video. Thus, a fact-driven survey made by L Labs indicate that almost 16% organizations globally are remote, while 4.7 million employees were working through online at United States alone. Your chance to be a digital remote worker might be next. But what if you don't have that alternative? Now you really need to figure out by exploring your skill set as a freelancer, like skills that you gained through life experience, mostly hobby, or other competency through your education, working experience or training that can increase your chances to secure good paying jobs as a digital freelancer. There were plenty of possibilities if you still don't have the expertise that you need by upskilling yourself with short courses or classes that offered by paid online platforms like Udemy, Skillshare.com, or free tutorials that are available on YouTube as well. Start to earn small with that skills that you gained. Most of vast majority digital nomads will use platforms like Fiverr or Upworks to get their online jobs. Anyhow, you will need set up a good portfolio here. While it will take you some time to land with first job, till then patience and keeping on update with your skill will be a key factor to secure your first online job. Step 3. Establish yourself as an online entrepreneur. Will be very common to see digital nomads to work as freelancers, but anyhow, once you've gained confidence, put more effort seeking for the clients that willing to hire you on permanent basis to catch up with their online gigs if you're looking for a stable income. There were few ways to looking for clients, but the most appealing way is by sending them a professional resume using very nice template with a detailed descriptive section about your online services through their business email. These techniques known as sending cold emails to engage with them for further conversation. My gentle reminder, please don't spam them with bulk emails. You're not going to build the trust again. Learn the proper professional way before sending them the email. From my personal experience, I were landed with plenty of long-term opportunities using these formula. There were plenty of job niches that you can easily look for a long-term client, like copywriting is a great place to start if you're looking for a way to boost your income while publishing blog posts, or graphic designing, another popular job option to earning passive income as digital nomad. You would also can sell own products on your YouTube platform, starting to host a webinars and online classes, or alternatively you can move further to build your own business from scratch by creating a website with an effective marketing campaign page that contains CTA or call to actions so that you can engage more clients in your services. If financially you're not bothering, try to buy an existing site, and jumping on board to immediately starts to generate more revenue. My top suggestions to hunt for owning an online businesses for sale will be Shopify, Exchange and Flippa because of their transparent information about that particular website, like easy to view their metrics panel on average revenue and profit per month. Make sure that whatever approach you use is appropriate for your skill set and can suit your digital nomad lifestyle. Step 4. Engaged with digital nomad community. Well, becoming a part of a digital nomad communities is a great approach to be circled with like-minded people who can assist you in such a challenging situation and to learn new things. Interacting with these kind of similar mindset peoples and expanding their network are two of the major reasons to join a digital nomad communities. When you're surrounded by persons who sharing the same interests, ideas and views, it's been a way simpler to move forward. Digital nomad communities love helping one another, especially when it comes to travel. Their advisors always can expect on getting right packing guidance, trip ideas, and Wi-Fi suggestions. The community is also a great place to ask recommendations about a specific destination because chances to someone else already had been there before you is greater, and sometimes they also can assist with your remote job opportunities. You can join a numbers of digital nomad communities, but make sure to engage with the particular group that you're going to be destinations. For instance, if you're planning to be in Sri Lanka on coming months, you should join that particular digital nomad network there, while provides you a better chance to meet up with other digital nomads around in person. Step 5. Explore the destinations options. The freedom to decide where you're going to pack your backpack's really yours. This is an ultimate goal for digital nomadism lifestyle, whether you're going to live at beachside coastal town or reside near the mountainous snowy ski town while performing visa run, or at a country where you can get a long-term digital nomad visa. You can watch my top 10 digital nomad visa offering countries as reference. Link will be available on description. Anyhow, there were few points that you need to consider before you decide and start your journey as a beginner digital nomad, like set up your monthly budget, prioritization on your safety because not all the countries were a right option for women travelers, and what kind of weather that you can be tolerate because most of Southeast Asian countries will be very hot during summer season at February till June. How about internet speed and Wi-Fi coverage? At least look for 18 megabits per second for a pleasant online jobs experiences. Also remember to check co-working spaces fees at the destinations that you are planning to go so that you had possible choices if you can't work from your rental unit, and also will be a great place to mingle with other digital nomads as well. These is very advisable tips that you must put on your heads to make the best decision, because you failed here, it's going to be a major disappointment that might ruins your plan or will cost you very expensive alternatives. After you decide the destination, eventually you can ask local digital nomad communities like Location Indie or Work Wanderers for their suggestion and assistance. Most of the time you get accurate tips and tricks from them. Step 6. Enjoy your freedom while planning for the future. Getting started as a digital nomad is challenging and seem to be risky at first, but once you started take charge on digital nomadism lifestyle, you must know how to maintain your initial planning, put that strategic plans on action, and sticking with them is very vital for you to succeed on your independence digital adventure, while enjoying the work balance freedom that you get. Always well prepared your schedule with must-do lists. Try to learn new skills because of rapid technology changes might push you behind the scene. Alternative passive income with backup plans highly encouraged. You must be clear on what you want, where you want to go, or how long you want to stay, and what you need to do to make it prioritize in order to succeed your nomadic lifestyle. It's also a smart option to have contingency plans or alternate passive income streams in case you fail at one course while need a safety net as you reassess your existing and new approaches. As my final thought for this topic, how to start digital nomad in 2022. Always consider to buy a health insurance to cover any of illness while abroad, while maintaining your healthy lifestyle by watching your diet, and be active always. You can go to hiking or swimming with your friends when you got time, or make a wise schedule for work-balance lifestyle. Of course, this is one of your main goals for choosing digital nomadism lifestyle. Try to mingle with local communities so that you can get exact ideas and information about their country's laws. Before I'm signing off for the topic, thanks for watching my video. Consider to like, subscribing and share my video to your friends. Until then, stay tuned for my next video.